It is time that we learn about additive versus multiplicative seasonality. I hope I can show you how straightforward it is. However, and as something to tell you beforehand, there's actually no statistical test to determine which kind of seasonality we should apply. So we need to make my favorite approach, which is to, just look at it. Let's see what I mean. Imagine that we have two time series, which these two graphs can represent. The one on the left is additive, and the other one is multiplicative. You can see that there is somewhat of a difference in the curves. How does this work? If we describe the seasonal cycles or fluctuations in terms of percentages, the seasonality is multiplicative. For instance, the sales of ice cream in August are 50% higher than the rest of the year. Since we'll be multiplying by 1.5 or adding 50%, then the seasonality is multiplicative. This is also what I try to show with my drawing. With the growing trend, then the seasonal cycles also become higher. If, on the other hand, the seasonal cycles are constant, no matter the trend, then it is additive. And the reason is that we always see the same seasonal fluctuation, and no matter the trend. And we can also see that from a mathematical perspective, because our equations also change. If we have additive, then we are adding all the terms. We add the trend plus the seasonality plus the error. If, on the other hand, we have multiplicative, then to the trend, we multiply the seasonality and the error. From my experience, we usually see multiplicative seasonalities. Nonetheless, this is something that, in case it is an option for the forecasting model, you can find out what is the best parameter. But don't worry, we'll have a look at it throughout some of the sections. And right now, it's time to see how do we actually apply this in Python. Until then, have fun.